Good evening, it's the 25th of April, kicking off today with a Duotrigordle, which is 32 words, same as Wordle, but it's 32 of them. Going to jump straight in. I'm going to put 5 words in, 4 words, which is basically going to use up 20 letters, and with a bit of luck, there won't be too many letters left to guess then. So we got nymph, frock, I'm going to have gilt, and then that should leave me with an S, B, an A, D, so I'm going to have based, B-A-S-E-D, and hopefully that will give me quite a few. So that is B-R-O, I'm guessing that's got to be brood, but it could be something else I get. And with this, you get 37 guesses at 36 words. And as I've already used 4 to start with, that means that I can only afford to get one wrong. Right, so that's M-O, right, so that's mount, that's our first one. That's gone. We've got a P-H-R-Y-E, which is going to be, what's that going to be? Y-H-E-R, fight, rife. Oh, I can't. Oh, hyper. God, and come on, get with it. It's going to be a long video if I can't get something like that. An M, an R, an A, an E, a D. That could be a few, I guess, but I'm going to say dream, which would fit in. That doesn't. I didn't have any letters in the wrong place, so that's okay. That's a K, L, an E, and an N. And it's 2 E's, so that's Neil. So that's that 4 ones done. Go down here now. You've got an A, an O, an L, a Y. I'm guessing that, well, that could be a few things. That could be lolly, could be jolly. Right, we leave that one. We've got an A, an I, a T, and an S. That could be waste. Right, I will leave that one as well. C-L-O-A-L. Local. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Well, that could be vocal as well. So that's another one we're not going to be able to do. T-H-E-E. Right. T-H-I-E. Right, you're going to have to leave that one for the time being as well. That's not something to a better start than this, to be honest. A K-O-N-A-E. And it doesn't start with the K. So it's Oaken. O-A-K-E-N. An S. Oh, right, there's nothing in that one at all. U, S-U. Well, that's got to be sunny, hasn't it? That's got to be sunny. Can't be anything else. An F-R-H-A. And it's not starting with the F or the H. Okay, mine's gone blank on that. G-R-I-E-D. Dirge. Oh no, it can't start with a D. Rigid. Alright, you didn't spell no. Ridge. F-U-N and an L, so it's flunk. An O, an R, a Y, it ends in a Y. Something Ori, worry maybe. We'll leave that for a minute. An M, a P, a T, an O. Oh, what's Tomp? No. Tempo, I didn't see. didn't even see the tempo. This is I was hoping this video was going to be quite short, but I think it might be quite long. Right, on this one then we got an R-O, a C, an N, and an N there. Now right, that's got to be, right, we're going to put crown in, which is going to use a W, which we haven't used yet. Right, U-C-K, an A, and a, so that's got to start, A-U-C-K. Can't be U, quack. Of course it can be. Right, so that's, I uses a Q. You've got a D-R-I, oh right, that actually spells out that one. If you look up, you can see there's a D-R, an I, an E, and an R. Which is open what most of them is going to be. And it says it's got an R-E, E, a D, and a Y. Reedy. And we got here now. So we got a C, an A, an N, and an O, canoe. An M, an O, a Y, an L, and a D, mouldy. An S, S-N-P-E-D, spend. B-R-O-E-R, and it's done start with the B, so it's sober. There was an S per S, so it's S-O-B-E-R. And I've done 21 of 30, I've done 17 of 32 so far, so quite a lot still to do. Right, you've got M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Got S-A-E-L-T, steel. A couple of letters at the top of here. O-U-L-D and a C, good. And this one's got a D, an E, a Y, a C and an R, decry. I think these will be the bottom four. Oh, they were the bottom four. 21 of 32, so those four done. Then those four done. Right, I haven't done this one yet. So there's an R-O-W, is it a D in there? No. So I was going to think, did think it might have been Rowdy to start with, but I'm pretty sure that's got to be Worry now, isn't it? W-O, there's one R there, so that's got to be Worry, isn't it? So that's those four down. Right, so what we got in this one? We got an S, a T, an I, S-T-S. Oh, right, not a lot really. An S, an I, ends in a T. It's got to be visit, isn't it? I'm sure it's got to be visit. This one has got an F, R, H, A, and W. Alright, so that's going to be wharf. Yeah. So we've now got 24:32, another 8 to go. Hopefully these will have a lot more letters in them now. So there's an O, an L, a Y, a W, and it's not woolly, and it doesn't start with W, so it's got to be lowly. This one starts with W-A-I-S-T. If you look up, you can see the W, the A, the I, the S, and the T are there in green. This one is an L-O-C. L-O-C. An A and L, local. This one is a T, an I, ends in an E. There's an H in it. T-I, is it T-I-T-H-E, Tive, is that a word? Can't think that it could be anything other than that. T-I-T-H-E. T-H-E. Tive, I don't know, I don't even know what our word means, but I think it is a word. It is, Tive. If anybody knows what it means, feel free to comment. And we should have 4 left, but which were the first 4, which we didn't have any words or letters for earlier on. So that's world, as you can see there, W-O-R-L-D. The next one across is brood, B-R, I'm pointing on my fingers, but B-R-O-O-D, brood. And then we've got an R, there's an A, an S, a T, and a Y. An ends in a Y. Artsy. Artsy, that's a different one. And then to end, we've got a C, an H, an S, a T, and there's an E in it, so that's chest. And that's, there you go, there's all 32 words, took 12 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a like, feel free to subscribe, and welcome any comments. Thank you very much for watching, good night.